Yeah, what's up, man? What's up, everybody? This is your main man from the Forex Strategy Factory, bringing to you another new topic. Yeah, let's sit down and watch, because this is a topic that a lot of traders really want to know. Now, we're going to talk about Fibonacci, okay? And we're going to talk about Fibonacci, and I'm going to take you through a fast view of Fibonacci. Okay, I'm not going to define Fibonacci. I know everybody knows about Fibonacci. All I want to talk about, to bring to your view, is, okay, first of all, where does the market start? Where does it start when you look at a Fibonacci? You see, look at a Fibonacci like, look, I think the price will always start from the sidebar of a Fibonacci. This is the starting of the movement. Okay? And when you see a price on the Fibonacci starting from the zero like this, up, zero is up, 100 is down, it means that trend is a downtrending market. This is Fibonacci's starting point. Okay? How do you know the end point? Because when this Fibonacci starts from zero, you know, it's gonna go to the 100. Where did it end? 100. It's gonna bounce on it. That is the end of the movement. Okay? This is how you know your starting point on the Fibonacci. It starts from the sidebar. And you know the end by it bouncing on, you know, not bouncing on the side, bouncing on the middle. That is the end. Now, when it bounces on the middle, what is going on? Because the end is 100. Based on this, it starts from 0, 100 down, bounce on 100. Now bouncing up, where is it going? Look, it is going back to Fibonacci 23.6. 23.6 is a strong reversal zone. And why is it going back to 23.6? See, when it started, it rallied down all through, right? Leaving all these Fibonacci lines untouched. Now, the reason why it's going back is that when you look at any market, when a particular level is broken, the price needs to go back and retest. Now, this is why the price has to go back to retest 61.8, 50, 38.2, and the retest on 23.6. It has to go back and retest 23.6. That is the most important zone. The price started, this is the starting point. By the sidebar like this, it is the starting point. Okay? 0 above, 100 is down. You know, it's a downtrend. Price has rallied from 0 starting, ending on the middle of 100, stalled, bounced back up, boom. Where is it going? 23.6. Okay. Now, what happens? What happens when price gets back to 23.6? What is going on? Let me tell you something. It's not going to be complicated, but let me tell you something. on this 1 hour time frame, Fibonacci 0 starting point to the ending point, Fibonacci 100. Look, the top and the bottom of the 100 of the 1 hour time frame chart. This is what I told you in one of my videos. I said, look. If you see the price has run from the top of that time frame you are looking at, any time frame you are looking at, but me, I'm always looking at the 1 hour time frame. Be it 1 minute, be it monthly, be it weekly, be it any time frame you are looking at, that the price has rallied from the top to the bottom of that time frame, look, that will turn around, because the chart itself is a support resistance. The chart itself is a support resistance. The chart itself is a Fibonacci. Now, this is why it's turning around. Now, it's going back to 23.6. So when it gets back to 23.6, what happened? 23.6 is a big solid reversal zone. You see? Now, where is it now going to go when it gets to 23.6? See, it will go down. It will go down or rally down, and it comes to 100. Reverse to 61.8, break 100. Where is it going when it breaks 100? It's going to 161.8, below this 100. Let me zoom the chart and you will see it. This is it. When it gets to this 23.6, it is coming back to this 161.8. This is the psychology of Forex market. And why should it come back to this 161.8? Look, from this starting 0 to this ending of 100, it is the 1 hour time frame support resistance, I mean the major one. Now, pulling back to 23.6 is a retracement, and coming back to 161.8, okay, the 4 hour support resistance is created then. From this 161.8, you talk about it pulling back to go retest 100, and a major down movement has started. This is Fibonacci. This is Fibonacci. Understanding it, when you understand something, you will know exactly how the market is going to move. You see, the movement of the market has not happened yet, but I'm technically telling you what is going to happen. So when I say, look, I know what I'm saying before I say it. I know how the market moves. I predict that market before it moves. I don't need to see it move before I predict. I predict before it moves. Okay. Forget about some things like I don't know. But when you understand the psychology of the Forex market, let's look at the second one. Now, this is still the same. When the price started from 100, it rallied down up. You will see the price behaving the same way. It rallied up to the point of bouncing in the middle of 0 up there. That is the end. Starting point is what you want to know when you get in front of your chart. Look at the starting point. Where did the price start on the Fibonacci? It started from the 100. Which means what? Which means starting from 100, 0 is up, which means this trend is an uptrend. Now, it has rallied down up, hitting the middle of 0. That is the end of that move. Okay? Now, what will it do? It will come back to this 61.8 in this example, because it's an uptrend. It's coming back to 61.8. Now, when it gets to 61.8, what will happen? You see, it will go and break this 0 and go to the extension of 161.8 above this 0. Let us see it. Okay. Yeah, it will be formed. Okay, it will be formed later then. Okay, you can see it now. It will be formed later. You can see it now. Now, let us proceed to another example. The starting point of Fibonacci is very important if you can identify it. It's starting from the sidebar. Look at it. It's starting from the sidebar of 100. Okay? Starting from 100, it's an uptrend. All it has to do is to get to 0, bounce back, to 61.8, and then it will go and break this zero and go to the next level. Why? Because the 4-hour level needs to be formed. Alright? Now, let us go to another example showing you Fibonacci. Now, where did this start on this chart? Look, it started from here. From the sidebar, it started. Where is it going? It's going to 100. Boom, it's got to 100. So then what happened? It is going back to 23.6. After getting to 23.6, the idea is to follow it back to this 161.8. This is what the price will do. Now look, support resistance of 1 hour is created from 0 Fibonacci to 100 Fibonacci, and then it's going to 23.6, then it will come to 161.8, and a new downtrend have started. I said, okay, when this thing started from the zero, what is the idea? The idea is it is a downtrend. It is a downtrend. That is the idea. Okay, running from this 0 to 100, it will go back to 23.6. From this 23.6, what happens? It's coming down to the extension 161.8. Because what? It's starting from 0. It's a downtrend. When it gets to 23.6, it's coming back to 161.8. All it will do on this 161.8 is to go and retest the 100, and a new long-term downtrend will start. Why? Because the 4-hour support resistance have been created, and it needs to break 161.8 and move down, down, down. That's it. Let's go to another example. Boom. Look, where did this start? This started from this level here. Sidebar, Fibonacci, 100. This is a uptrending market. Okay. This market have moved and bounced and stalled on Fibonacci 0. Now, what is going to happen? It's coming back to 61.8. Now, what happens when it gets to 61.8? From 61.8, this is going to go back up and rally up and break this 0 and go to the next level above that 0, and a new up have started. You have not seen, it's not yet formed. It will be formed later. Now, let's go to another example. Let's go to the final example because my time is running against me. And this is the video I want to show you. I'm not trying to define Fibonacci, but I'm trying to tell you how to know where did the price start and how to use that Fibonacci to know the trend of the market and what exactly is going to happen inside that Fibonacci. Look at this chart. Where did that market start? It started from the sidebar right here on 0. Okay, the idea is this is a downtrend. Okay, it has rallied down to the 100 and stalled in the middle of 100. Okay, it's bouncing back. Boom, it's bouncing back. Where is it going? It is going to 23.6. After 23.6, what happened? It's going to come back to break 100, and it's going back to this 161.8. And why? Because the 4-hour support resistance is going to be created. Now, what happened on 161.8 is going to go back to test 100, okay, making 100 a new top, and a new down will start, and it will break 161.8 and continue another new down journey. Wow. oh my God. You know, when you know something about Forex, you can never learn Forex by just trading and going away from the chart. When you learn Forex seriously by sitting in front of your chart, knowing how the price moves, that is when you can apply any indicators you like. Look at this chart. It has no serious, terrible, fancy indicator. Okay? But you see, look, no fancy indicator, but I'm telling you exactly the movement of the price. What will happen? What should you be expecting? Where is the price starting from? The price has started from the sidebar. 0 above. This is a downtrend. It has to rally to 100 and stall on it. Come back to 23.6. and then it will shoot back down, 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 and get to 161.8. Look, this is the psychology of the Forex market. It's very simple. If you make it simple, it's going to be simple. Then you make it simple. When you make it simple, you will see the result of simplicity. Thank you so much, and bye-bye. Expect my next video. Subscribe and hit the like and hit the share. Thank you.